This home has the wow factor. Arched doorways, open, flowing floor plan, large spacious bedrooms, upgraded cabinets and granite counters with a breakfast bar in the kitchen and opens to a deck. The laundry room is large and spacious with a sink, cabinetry and counters. Epoxy garage floors and built-in storage racks to maximize floor space for all the projects. Gas log fireplace in the living room makes for cozy nights. Upstairs you will find a bedroom with double closets, a bonus room and an impressive master suite with a large walk-in closet, master bath with a soaking tub and stand-up shower along with a sitting room or office with double doors. Walkout basement boasts a large entertainment room with a pull-down projection screen, a full bedroom and bathroom, storage and more storage. The backyard is flat and completely usable, so bring all of your ideas. Did you see the playhouse with the trapdoor and slide? All of this and lake access. For more information or a private showing, call Naomi Race Realty 1 Group Select 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com.